Dear students, let us go to the concept of free and bound charges. So by looking into the topic only, then you must have understood that what is free charge and bound charges. But in class 12, I will go into a little bit of deep into this. Okay. So let me go to the free charge. Okay. So free. First में लिखते हैं FRE, free charges. So these charges are not strictly bound to the atom. So free charges are those charges which is not bound to the atom, okay, or the nucleus. It means that the electrons, okay, for an example, this electron, if it is not bound to the nucleus, then it can move to this orbit and it can also move to this orbit. So the free charges are free to move from one orbit to another orbit. Not even that, if you have some other nucleus somewhere here like this and like this, and this electron may jump from this atom to this atom, okay, because they are free. So they are not bound to the nucleus of an atom. They can move freely, that is number one. Number two is that the energy of free charges is totally kinetic. Okay, is totally kinetic. Kinetic. Okay, so it has got the energy, it do not have potential energy, it only have the kinetic energy. Okay, and it rises from 0 to maximum. Okay, it may have 0 energy to the maximum and it is only having the kinetic energy, that is my free charge. Now let me come to the bound charge. Okay, bound charge means which is bound to the nucleus of an atom, which do not move freely. It doesn't mean that it do not move on its own orbit. Okay, it does move in its own orbit, but it will not move from this orbit to this orbit. No, from this orbit to this orbit. No, so it only moves in its particular orbit. So they are bound to the nucleus of an atom. Okay, so which are not free. Now let me go to the energy. So energy, okay, energy of the bound charge is both, okay, potential energy and, okay, plus kinetic energy. Understood? And for it has both the energy, potential as well as kinetic energy, but potential energy is much greater than kinetic energy. Okay, because kinetic, why here is only kinetic energy? Because it is moving, free to move, and moving object, moving charge have got the kinetic energy. But here it is why it is having kinetic energy. You may be thinking that if it is not moving, then why it is having kinetic energy? No, yes, it is moving, but only in the orbit. Okay, its orbit. So it may have the kinetic energy and it is also having the potential energy, but potential energy is always greater than kinetic energy. Okay, so this is all about bound charges and free charges. Now where this free charges is present? This free charges is present in a conductor. Okay, conductors, and this bound charges are found in insulator. Okay, insulators. Now we got the two terms, one got conductors and insulator. Now there is one more term which is called dielectrics. In the next lecture we are going to do what are conductors, what are insulator, and what are dielectrics. Thank you.